myself. Come outside right now. All outside niggas get down. I used to hate to be the last one to get picked up. Papa working OT, hold my breath like I got the hiccups. Need another reason to be reckless, need some liquor. Bagging bitches off the MySpace. She shot your boy a picture, I'ma put her in a bulletin. Ashy black hooligan, you angry for the moment. Post the weekend, we'll be cool again. You postin', I be cold to me. The summer coming soon, my friend. Wonder if I catch you smoking cigs and drinking booze again. Up at the beach though, everybody acting up. I'm not the nigga, said I wasn't acting black enough. How you figure, girl, your track's fire, but you lacking love.
Yeah. Ikke et lortekamera.
Det er bare linsen er dårlig. Værsgo.
Thank you.
Hold den her.
Jeg holder den her. Den kan ikke skyde, eller den kan ikke autofokusere, så skyde selv.
Kan den ikke?
Jeg skal selv.
Ej! Hvad fanden? Okay, det er også fair nok.
The kids that once were now grown-ups. They all around the way and won't slow up. Till we outside looking like owners.
Hvor er vi henne lige nu?
Vi er på Nørrebrogade på vej til Mads Nørgaard, jeg sad.
That's right. I'm outside by myself. Come outside right now. All outside niggas get down. When I need help, love, that's right. I'm outside by myself. Come outside right now. All outside niggas get down. When I need help.
Det var ikke en succes, men
så er vi videre til genbrug.
Genbrug. Meget bedre end det her shit her.
Twice so tells y'all ignore that part. I found life still a lost boy at heart. I grind up ganja with my thumbs take part in the session. It's funny how we still up in the dark inside the hut. The one.